Dear friends, dear colleagues, it is said that the eyes are the windows to the soul. And of course it is where we first look when talking to someone. Therefore, the anatomic unit of the face playing an essential role in beautiful appearance. So important to offer natural and precise results when operating on the parietal region. In Istanbul World Congress, I'm presenting a masterclass on blepharoplasty where I will share with you tips, tricks, techniques and lessons learned over 28 years of experience. You will take home messages, important messages of how to optimize your results, avoid complications for the benefit, safety and satisfaction of your patients. Don't miss it. Looking forward to seeing you in Istanbul and sharing with you my experience in eyelid surgery. See you there.